doing a price drop and a quick video. Look guys, 46 bucks. I'm lowering that to $35. These are all good cakes. They're just not good sellers. We got a 9-shot 2-inch NOAB by No Name Fireworks called Sea Breeze. This one is $48. We're lowering that to $35 as well. Football Maniac, regular $52 by Raccoon Fireworks. We are lowering this one to 40 bucks. And I'm going to be igniting all of these with these cheap $20 firing systems. I really recommend everybody buy one of these because they're pretty great. I love it. I use it all the time. All right, we are going with Sea Breeze. They're now $35. It's a 9-shot 2-inch NOAB, No Name Fireworks. Alright, next one is Football Maniac. This thing is 40 bucks now, down from 52. This one is by Raccoon Fireworks. Alright, pretty good duration on that, pretty nice. This one should have a big spread. It's called Look Guys. I've lowered this one to 35. It's by No Name Fireworks. Not a good seller, but this one's nice too. Alright guys, come get them. Ripon and Oxford store. I'm running these specials. Give me a call, 920-299-1449 if you have any questions. Alright, thanks guys.